Morning sir, I am the student of class 7C, Sneha Verma, and today we all know that today you will be retired. So I wanted to say thank you to you for your all educational stories, motivational stories, your whatever you teaches us, your drawings, your arts and everything. And we are happy with the memories with you and in our class. And one more thing that I want to say you, that in this lockdown, when me and my father was talking about my drawings, we decided to meet my drawing teacher, my art teacher, Gopal sir, that's you, and we decided to meet you in this PT meet when we are going to school. But because of coronavirus, the school will not open, so we can't meet to you. Because of that, I am sad, but I'm so happy with all that memories, and I remember all your educational stories and everything. Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, you have been a very wonderful teacher and a very dear friend of us. We will miss your classes, but we have all that you taught us safely stored in our mind and in our heart. Thank you, sir, for teaching us and for giving us knowledge regarding art, and thank you for giving us inspiration. Thank you for everything. Happy farewell to you, sir. By Soumya, Class 6A, roll number 1.
Hello, good morning स्टूडेंट, मैं रूपानी से ड्राइंग टीचर बोल रहा हूँ। आज आप लोगों को स्प्रे पेंटिंग के बारे में मैं बताऊँगा। आप ध्यान से देखिए, स्प्रे पेंटिंग करने के पहले जिस चीज़ को बनाना होता है उसका ब्लॉक हम लोग पहले बना लेते हैं। देखिए, हमने इसका ब्लॉक बनाया है। ऐसे आप कई चीज़ हम काट के रखे हैं। देखिए, ये बर्ड का है, ये बर्ड का है, और ये रैबिट का है, रैट का है, और इस तरह से कई ब्लॉक हमने बनाए हैं। अभी आपको पहले शुरू करते हैं एक फिश का जो हमने ब्लॉक बनाया है। देखिए, ये प्लेन पेपर पर ऐसे हम लोग रख लेंगे। जहाँ स्प्रे करना हो वहाँ सेंटर में रख लेंगे। हमने इस ब्रश से कलर निकाल लिया है। आप एक कलर में भी कर सकते हैं और डबल कलर में भी कर सकते हैं, ट्रिपल कलर में भी कर सकते हैं। तो देखिए हम कैसे स्प्रे। सभी विषयों का ड्राइंग और पेंटिंग से वस्तुएं बिल्कुल छोटी नजर आती हैं, अदृश्य सी हो जाती हैं। ध्यान से देखेंगे हम लोग, थोड़ा सा हम इधर डार्क कर दे रहे हैं, और आप यहाँ चाहें डार्क ब्लू भी कर सकते हैं, हल्का सा ग्रीन में मिक्स करके, डार्क ग्रीन में मिक्स करके। हमारे पास जो कलर है, देखिए हम उसी से मैनेज करने की कोशिश करते हैं। आप भी कोशिश करेंगे। देखिए कैसे कलर कर रहे हैं हम इनके कपड़े।
Sir, we are very sad that you are leaving us. us. We will remember everything that you taught and told us. We will miss your method of explaining and teaching. We were shocked to hear about your retirement. Goodbye, sir.
Sir, for everything you were done for us and me too. I wish you nothing but the very best your retirement. No one say goodbye to a teacher like you because you will forever in our heart. Happy retirement, sir. This is forever that we are for you and you are for us. Thank you, sir. By Shubhanjali of Standard 6D, roll number 43. For teaching us and draw many things for us and teach us drawing, paintings, how to draw this, how to draw that. Thank you very much, sir, to also teach us online art and crafts. We will learn many more things from your arts, craft, and we will draw very well now from your art crafts, sir. I am very happy because I got like your teacher. You are a wonderful teacher, sir. You draw very good. We will miss you very much. We want to go in school and meet you, but there was COVID-19. And thank you very much, sir, for teaching us many more things like art, craft, paintings, drawings. Thank you very much. I do not say that how many things you learn, remember, teach to us. I am very happy, sir, because I got a good teacher. I'm very happy and I am very lucky. Thank you, sir, very much.
That I have ever seen in my life. You will be always in our heart forever. The paintings which you have made are very beautiful and attractive. I have kept it very nicely because I love your classes very much. You teach us with fun and enjoyment. You also teach us moral values. Life is very important. Education is very important and many more things. Have a wonderful life, sir. Things which you have not done in teaching time, do it in retirement time. Have a wonderful and great life, sir. Name Srishti Sinha, class 60, roll number 22.